How to activate X431 Fix/HaynesPro for Launch X431 2024 Guide. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. Here is the latest official guide, as of October 2024, to activate the X431 Fix or HaynesPro Workshop database on compatible Launch X431 Advanced Diagnostic Scanners. Compatible tools. Launch X431 Pad 7 Elite. Pad V Elite V. Pro 5 with SmartLink. Price: $1,915 plus 19% VAT. Payment method: PayPal. Activation time: activation requires the serial number of the device. Allow 3 working days for the activation process. How to purchase and activate X431 Fix or HaynesPro on Launch X431 scanners. Step 1. Purchase license. 1. Go to the Mall section of the Launch X431 device. 2. Navigate to Other Goods. 3. Select European Database License. 4. Click Buy Now to purchase the license. Note: this license includes a 1-year subscription to CarSet Pro Car. Step 2. CarSet Pro Car Database Features. Instant access to technical service bulletins, TSBs, with links to fault codes, OEM quality case descriptions, troubleshooting solutions, and tips. Guided diagnostics for vehicles. Access to wiring diagrams, installation locations, and detailed fault code information for various systems, such as engine management, ABS, ESR, and air conditioning. The database covers most European and U.S. vehicle manufacturers and is continuously updated. How to access and use X431 Fix. Step 1. Open X431 Fix. 1. From the Home menu, go to Info Center-Repair Info-X431 Fix. Step 2. Diagnose using Smart Diagnostic. 2. After performing the Smart Diagnostic, select the X431 Fix button under the DDC Diagnostic Trouble Code section. Step 3. Login. 3. Enter your X431 Fix username and password. It will automatically log you in for future uses after the initial login. With this guide, you'll be able to purchase, activate, and use the X431 Fix or HaynesPro Workshop database on your Launch X431 scanner, providing enhanced diagnostic tools and access to a comprehensive vehicle database. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.